Hi, I'm Jamie Monsen, health coach with PartnerMD. I'm at the Midlothian, Virginia office. I come into PartnerMD with over 25 years of experience in health and fitness and various certifications and knowledge. So stress management consults are going to vary from patient to patient, of course. We're gonna kind of break down some skills, techniques, I call it a toolbox, create ideas, way for you to kind of cope and get some coping strategies to come with it. So there's gonna be a lot of interactive and dialogue, some problem solving skills, techniques, and just kind of understanding that it's not a one size fits all, because not all things are gonna work for each patient who walks through the door. So we're gonna have to kind of take the time to see what suits you. Everything is, a relaxing atmosphere, no judgment atmosphere, just creating that comfortable environment where there's an understanding between a patient and a coach and you feel relaxed and at ease with them will make the session itself just that much more comfortable to share and open up over time. I think with the close unity that we have here at PartnerMD, it's easier to get that comfort level. You're gonna get to kind of sit back and chit chat and get to know each other so that you feel more comfortable sharing and opening up. When it comes to stress, we need to talk about, is it happening all day? Do you notice a trigger? We may need to step back and actually have you record, which is very helpful. You can journal each night about your day and kind of talk about where things are coming in so that you can have self-reflection so that we can start looking at healthier tools for you to handle it in a healthy response. We kind of talk about acknowledging it when it comes in and then how to start learning to calm down in that moment. Again, this is not a one size fits all. I do talk with a lot of patients of sometimes going outside, or maybe there's calm apps that we use for patients where they can learn to breathe a little bit more, learn some meditation techniques. Once we start recognizing things that you may enjoy, then we need to start implementing them a little bit more routinely so that we become a little bit more proactive on your stress response rather than just reactive as well. When we're in sessions, you kind of finish with homework. And so it's going to be, all right, so this week we're going to self-reflect and look at what's triggering us. Okay, so that's a good way. Are you going to do that by writing things down? Okay, and then we come up with a few ideas of what are you going to choose to do when stress elevates. I'm going to go upstairs, I'm going to take a bath. Whatever we've discussed, we're going to put that down. That's the list. And then when you come back, we're going to see how it worked. You go home, try it on and see what works. Then we'll self-reflect and see how well you're starting to implement, how much more aware that you're becoming. Because a lot of times it's just repetition. And so the more we talk about it, the more we implement strategies, the better you'll become at it. Maybe some people think they can get by with it and they are not even seeing how much it's impacting all of their choices. So I think understanding the techniques that you can do for stress management is much larger than you realize. And then when you start diving into your own stress and you start seeing how much it's impacting you and those around you, can be self-reflecting too. The big thing with stress management is even though it's impacting you, how much are you impacting those around you and your loved ones too? So stress management is a big component. We can all use it. We can all have a moment to talk about what's going on in our lives and to have someone to relate and understand and to hear you. And then also maybe give you some good tips and strategies so that you feel better about who you are, how you're impacting others. And then of course long-term health, because stress management has a high correlation to mortality risk. So a lot of times we really need to get to the root cause and kind of understand that you can manage it and you can still be healthy and you can do things that you enjoy and be social and engage with loved ones and really just increase the longevity of your lifespan in a healthier way. Thank you for watching. Sharing these insights is one of the ways we will support your journey for better health. If you're a PartnerMD member and have questions, your health coach is always here for you, so just reach out to your local office to get connected. And if you're not a member but want to learn more, we'd love to connect with you at PartnerMD.com.